So guys, for the first method, once you're on Microsoft Edge, in the top right, you want to click on the three dots and then click on Settings. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy, Search and Services. Now you want to scroll down until we get to choose what to clear every time you close the browser. Click on this. Make sure that you have cookies turned off. You want to turn off cookies and other site data. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, on the left hand side, you want to click on Cookies and Site Permissions, and then click on Manage and Delete Cookies and Site Data. It's going to be saying block third-party cookies. Make sure that you have this turned off. See if that works. For the next method, in the bottom left, you want to click on About Microsoft Edge. It's now going to start checking for updates. Make sure that your Microsoft Edge is fully up to date. For the last method, you want to click on Reset Settings, and then click on Restore Settings to their default values, and then click on Reset. Hopefully, one of these methods would have fixed your problem.